What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery drain after Android 14 update in hyperos. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps, and from here tap on app to check its battery usage. Now here tap on battery. So after opening this battery option, if this app is using more than usual battery, then you can take action against this app by force stopping the app or uninstalling the app from your phone, and it will help you to fix the battery draining issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and tap on additional settings, and then scroll down and tap on memory extension. Now from here turn off this memory extension by tapping on off. Now from the pop-up, tap on reboot to confirm. So when you will tap on reboot, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the memory extension will be disabled, and disabling the memory extension will fix the battery draining issue on your phone. So that's how you can fix the battery drain after Android 14 update in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.